Hello guys, it's Joshua from Inspired Fingers and I believe it's doing great. So just as usual, I love sharing ideas. So today I'm going to pull off an idea and put it in a song. Jesus is the Answer for the World Today by Andrew Crouch. It's a very awesome song. I used to use it back in the days to learn my chord progressions and all that. And I think it was on the key of A. I'm not sure, but I think it was on the key of A. Back then. So but because a whole lot of people don't understand the key of A that well, so let's use the key of F major. All right, so Jesus is answer for the world today. There's no other. Jesus is the way. Okay. So that's that side I just played right now. That's what I actually want to show you. So I said Jesus is the answer for today. There's no other. I hope you get the point. So what's the idea behind this movement here? This one. So first of all, I just played a normal F major ninth chord. All right, then I went. So I'm using quartiles over tritones. So what I did is, so my E triton on my left hand, and I used the E flat or the D sharp quartile, anyhow you want to call it. Okay, then I went chromatically down. Okay, then I went here, still the same concepts. My left hand is still using triton, that's the C sharp triton, and on my right hand I'm using the C quartile. So those of you that was asking of quartiles and tritons and all that, so you can see how we're using it. So I'm actually using it in this hour like as a passing chord, or a passing like passing chords to my 7-3-6 movement. So Jesus is, then you go to 7, okay, 3, 6, okay, 2, 5, 1, 4. I hope you get the point. So please, I'm using chord substitution. So by the diatonic, using the diatonic in a diatonic sense, rather, they're not actually the real 7-3-6 chord, but it's actually chord substitution. I'm just saying this for effect based on the fact that we have some music theorists here. All right, I just want to clear that. All right, so these are altered chords, chord substitutions, and all that coming in play where our 7-3-6 has to be there. All right, so let me do it one more time before I close this video. So Jesus is moving, there's no order. Jesus is the way. Yeah, look at this. It's actually something I use a lot. This is the 4 chord, that's the B flat major chord, and it's the second inversion. So I just kind of slide down chromatically, to the A major chord, second inversion, and this is being played over my 5. All right. So, but on a normal Sunday morning, like I said before, please don't play this and call my name. All right.